Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're using TikTok on an Android phone and want to know who's been viewing your profile, this video is just for you. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable viewer history. Make sure to watch until the end for all the details. First, open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Next, tap the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then, select Settings and Privacy from the menu. After that, tap on Account to open your account settings. Now, choose the Privacy option from the list. Scroll down the page until you find Viewers under the Profile Views section. Finally, tap on Viewers, then toggle the switch to enable viewer history. Once it's on, you'll be able to see who viewed your TikTok profile, and others can see when you view theirs too. And that's it. You've now successfully enabled viewer history on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks.